What's going on, guys? Just changing my oil right now, and I wanted to talk about a product I like for preventing smoke on startup. It's this Lucas engine oil stop leak. Really great stuff. I know I have an '07 Camry. It's really notorious for I think it's the valve stem seals going out. That can be like upwards of $1,000 job to have those replaced. I find that this Lucas product or the oil stabilizer, that works really well too. They honestly look pretty much the same. You see this like blue greenish oil coming out. It looks pretty much the same. I know they have a new full synthetic one I want to try because I like using synthetic oil, so I'd like to try that. If you tried it, let me know in the comments how it is. But you can see here I'm gonna put the whole quart in. I've put 1.5 quarts of my OW20 in already. I'm gonna use the whole quart, and then I'll do another. It's gonna take 4 quarts, so another 1.5 quarts of my regular oil. But the stuff's pretty thick, it looks like, compared to regular oil. But yeah, every time, if I don't use this, when I change my oil, I'll have a puff of white smoke as I start the car. And that's just usually when it sits overnight, oil leaks and then it gets burned on startup. But this stuff works really well for helping that. I'd even put it in before your engine starts white smoking, so just thought I'd make a quick video. Thanks, guys.